Berexamethopolize is now the newest form of cough syrup, buy now at your local IKEA pharmacy, for now $119.99. For more information contact 525-777-8999. Side effects may include but are not limited to cancer, heart attack, stroke, constant seizures, blindness, constant headaches, memory loss, loss in taste and smell, constipation, hives, high blood pressure, loss of direction, fever, sweating, nausea, dizziness, chapped lips, stomach pain, cough, sore throat, muscle aches, chills, confusion, osteoporosis, loss of kidneys, diarrhea, brain cell disappearance, lower IQ, shrinking of nails, hair loss, depression, chest pain, stress, wrinkles, brittle skin, overheating, fainting, runny nose, hypothermia, frostbite, blood clotting, nosebleeds, difficulty breathing, temporal paralysis, sleep paralysis, hallucinations, weight gain, height loss, sudden hearing loss, trouble swallowing, panic attacks, uncontrolled bleeding, vomiting blood, bloating, inability to speak or slurred speech, rashes, loss of consciousness, severe back pain, and more.